Hey everybody, this is Kevin Rowland with InkSoft. Thank you for watching this video recap we have for our feature release going out this week. This one is 4.15. We've got a couple cool things in here, so let's go ahead and jump in and take a look. Alright, so here we are on the storefront, and conveniently this is where all three of our updates are coming this week. I'm going to be starting things off by going into the Store Admin tab here at the top. This product we're going to be working with has personalization. It's called the NASA T. The first two enhancements are coming to personalization. The first being very, very simple. We simply have upped the amount of personalization options you can do per product from 3 to 5. And that's obviously going to be very helpful for asking your customers what they want out of the product. It doesn't always just need to be a standard, t-shirt with a screen printed message on it. You can always be able to expand it to other services, some simple ones like names and numbers. You can ask your customers if they'd like to, as an option, put on additional information, typically for an extra cost. But it goes beyond that for other services that your customers might not even know that you offer. Maybe you bedazzle garments. This is a great way to bring that to their attention so that they know that they have a lot more options than they think when they are creating these garments. It's not all just set in stone. And this next one is also closely tied to personalization because it is an update to the tooltip, and that's essentially going to be the instructions for how they fill out each of these personalization options. Before, when you would type in that description for these, there was a little tooltip icon that they would have to hover over and then see the message. Well, sometimes people would miss that, so all we've done is just move that messaging right below the box so that they can't miss it. They will always know exactly what you're trying to get from them in terms of the name, the number, or if you needed like a contact phone number, whatever sort of field you go ahead and display for them, you can go ahead and make it extremely clear for the information you're trying to gather, and there's no confusion on their end. And the last one that we have for this week is my personal favorite. It is the ability to download product mockups. So this is something that's been asked for a bit of time now, and we wanted to make sure we could execute it the right way, and utilizing RPC just seemed to be the best way to do it. So to do this, you'd have to go under Store Admin, and right off the bat, I do want to let you know this is something you can do in bulk. So what I would want to do is just check on the items I would want to do this for on the left-hand side, hit the menu button here in the top right, and you'll have your download mockups button. If you wanted to do this individually, all you got to do is just click on the individual product, and under the general tab, one of the very first things you see is this blue button to download the mockups. When I click on that button, you'll get a loading bar right there in the middle, and a couple seconds will pass and they download right there at the bottom. So this is really helpful because we understand that this is a selling platform. You want to be able to sell through it, but that's not exactly the only way you might want to get the word out about these products. So you can go ahead and create them in our system. You can put the design onto the shirt and you can render them out so you can use them in some handheld flyers or some brochures, or you wanted to use it for a newsletter through an email service. This gives you the ability to get that file with both the shirt and the design, and you don't have to go through any crazy, snippet tool or anything. You just download the source file right away. Alright, and that is it for this week's updates. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions on these changes, please, of course, get in contact with us. Let us know in support, and we will be happy to answer those questions. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.